Top 5 Shiatsu Foot Massager Machine.
Top 5.
Massage for fatigue relief. This foot massager, equipped with rotation ball, rolling stick, heat function, varied intensity, and modes, offers a deep kneading foot SPA. Relieve foot pain from plantar fasciitis. We offer 2 years warranty. If this foot massager does not meet your expectations, you can apply for a refund or exchange within 30 days. A regular foot massage is beneficial to you combat the daily discomfort. The electric foot massager would be a great gift for yourself or your loved ones.
Top 4.
Relax entire foot. Snailax foot massager is designed with air compression, rolling, Shiatsu with rotation balls, and heat therapy features provide you with comprehensive care for the whole foot. It effectively relieves the foot from plantar fasciitis. A perfect gift for mom, dad, woman, or man who is suffering from plantar fasciitis. Enjoy a comfy daily foot massage with Snailax electric foot massagers to improve the health of the body.
Top 3.
Foot, calf, leg, ankle, and heel massager. This electric foot massager is equipped with 4 air pressure pads, 5 adjustable pressure settings. Warning: we encourage starting at the lowest setting initially. Most will feel slight soreness after an initial massage after the first few uses, which is normal and is how you know it is working. Guaranteed customer satisfaction. If you are not fully satisfied, simply return the Moss foot massager for a full refund or replacement.
Top 2.
Triple function electric massager. Enjoy 3 preset massage modes configurable with 5 different intensity levels. Heart function, 15 to 30 minute timer. Plus, a remote for easy control. Customize it to your personal preference. Washable cloth cover. Removable unwashable cloth in the foot chambers helps keep a clean and healthy environment. Treat your feet like royalty. Love your body's most foundational and supportive part with kneading, rolling ball massage. Try it, enjoy it, or your money back.
Top 1.
Massage the feet, relax the whole body. RENPHO foot massager machine, equipped with rotation ball, rolling stick, heating. Offers a deep kneading Shiatsu foot massage. Note this item is not for foot bath use. No remote control. Not for people who are highly sensitive to squeeze and kneading. A great gift. Everybody needs a daily foot massage. Get it for yourself or your friend. Using the foot massager for 30 minutes daily improves the health of the body. Check the description below on where to buy it.